HP PageWide XL Pro Printers. How to print single-sided posters with the Caldera RIP. To create a basic single-sided poster, select the destination printer from the top menu, create a new job and name it. Import the files you want to print from your system or drag and drop them in. Modify the job settings by selecting the desired parameters, media, mode, quality, etc. When finished, send the job to be ripped. For each job, you can preview the layout in the Page Setup window and adjust the scale and orientation of your job. The Quality drop-down menu allows you to set the printing quality and the percentage of ink to be used. The spooler window displays the job queue, offering a summary of the settings applied to each job. Once all the files have been ripped, simply send them to print. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.